Omega Proteus. Let's take it down. We'll start with Forest. Get Forest to do the dirty work. Stay away from the Proteus. If he comes after you, don't be afraid to take off, because he will kill you. As long as you stay away from him, you should be all right. Keep an eye on him. Come on, get over here. Okay, here he comes. I'm going to have to take off because he will kill us. These other guys won't kill us, but he will kill us. Okay, come back in. He's going to come down here and he's going to go up. So just follow behind him. Follow behind him and you can kill. Basically, we're just killing anything that will kill my soul runners and the air. Keep your eye on the... Alright, he's getting particularly dangerous. So just stay away from him. Doesn't take long, it's not hard to do. Just stay away from the Proteus, because he'll hurt you. Can we get that and get out? Alright, we did it. Now we're just going to bring in soul runners. And he's ours. This base is done. With soul runners, just don't stay still. Keep moving. When he shoots at you, keep moving. If you keep moving, you'll kill him easily. That's it. That's all there is. Come on. You are just being a pain in the butt to me. There you go. Take it out, Ruby. Now you're just going to go around, clear the base, and you're going to get yourself a couple of points, a couple of pieces for your Omega Proteus. Not too bad, not too much damage, not difficult. Just stay away from the Proteus, because he will do some damage to you. That's it. What did we get? 5. All right.